Good morning, everybody. It's 10:51 in the morning and 10 seconds. This is mini number 1 for the Daredevil 1 graded 4.5. As explained in the post, whoever comes in first place will get to choose on their own 4 spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place gets to choose 1 spot in the main. I'm going to contact the winners immediately. Please comment on the main post which spot or spots you want from your mini win. Okay, let's get our 3 dice going. Number's a small number, only 7, and away we go. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the final one. 7. Greg Armstrong gets 4 spots in the main. Chris Lamastra, you get to pick 1 spot after Greg has picked his 4. The time is 10:52 and 10 seconds.